It's finally our time to save the world. Hi friends, what we are trying to do here is we are trying to make a animation short movie. So we'll be making multiple shots, combining the shots, we'll make a scene, and then we make multiple scenes for the storyboard and make a movie. And we'll show the entire process of how to make a animation short movie here, so you can also learn and create your own animation short movies. So this character is inspired from Goku from Dragon Ball Z. So what I'll be doing is I have just drawn Goku by myself on Procreate, which is a app in iPad, on my iPad, and then I animate this particular character, and I'll show you how I have drawn and how I have animated this particular shot. It took me almost an hour to do this, and this shot will be just 4 to 5 seconds, and combining multiple shots like this, which we'll be making probably on a daily basis, and then we make the movie out of it. So that's a time-lapse video of how I have drawn the character. So drawing the outlines, coloring the character, I'm showing everything for your easy understanding. So if you want to make a movie, just make your own character or get inspired from any characters there. So this is the Goku from Dragon Ball Z, and this is actually the screen recording. You can see how Goku talks. So I have made 2 frames, one with open mouth and one with a closed one. So when I switch between them, I get the animation there in Procreate. So you can see it's frames per seconds can be changed. It's now 10, 5, 24, depending on the frames per second changes, the speed of the transition changes. So you can control how he talks, how the speed of his lip movement. Depending on how many frames you have, you can control your animation. So you can see how many layers you have. I think I have drawn more than 15 to 20 layers for the particular drawing. So each layer will only have a particular part of the drawing. So I'll just take you through that particular process here. So when I take each layer off, you can see the screen becomes a white screen there. So look at that, it's a white screen now, and you can see all the layers in the right hand side. So one layer I have drawn the black background of the character, and then slowly started coloring it, and coloring the character I have added it into different layers. So on the right side you can see when each of those white tick marks coming there, I'm adding up each layers which I have drawn to show you how I have actually drawn the character. So the hair is on a different layer, the animation is on a different layer, the eyes are on a different layer, the shades are on a different layer. So that's how it's a very useful tool. You can also learn how to do Procreate drawings from YouTube. So those are the basics. So once you have that, you can use that experience to create your own short movie here. So be with me, please follow us or subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can be with us on the entire process of how this movie is made, how each of every frame is made, how music is added, how voice is added, edited. So you can see how you can make your own animation movie. And yeah, I think this is the first time someone is doing it in YouTube. I just wanted to try it out. So yeah, so you can see those frames there. So this is just a single frame which is 5 to 6 seconds of just Goku talking of something, and that's it. And I have my script ready. I know what I need to be doing. So every 2 days I will be uploading each of my shorts. We'll club them together, we make scenes, and we club the scenes together, and we make our short movie at the end of it. Hope you guys will enjoy it. Please make sure that you like, comment and share, and if you think someone will be enjoying this as well, share it with them. Thanks for watching.